Where do you see all this going? And try to be a little optimistic, James.
So I think there are two main tracks right now that I see. One is that there is this belief that there is a need for a global organizing framework for water, where every single thing gets put in its right box, and all agencies are assigned, and everyone knows what they're doing, and we'll all be on track. That's impossible. It's nice to have, but we don't have a global organizing framework for many things, and I don't think that's going to work. Where I see things going is more embedded in the complexity, the multi-stakeholder partnerships, engaging more with the private sector and private finance, how everyone has a different entry point into the topic and an exit point from it. And that, I think, is where I'm seeing a greater level of people coming to the table or wanting to collaborate. The key thing is being able to keep their interest and help them mobilize for water. So rather than sort of policing ourselves around a global organizing framework, let's just harness the power of the social, environmental, and economic markets and the individuals behind that who are wanting to do things to get the results that we need.
Right. I love that.